went off-road. Oh,
Nick, what are you doing?
Yes, take it. Go, baby. Go, yes. U-turn, U-turn. We're doing a U-turn.
He's trying to confuse my mind.
It is day 2 of the Floor Ski Rider Festival. It feels so nice out here. And again, may I say, no rain. No rain. We're gonna go get some coffee. Can I get some coffee? She's not happy with me.
I showed up. I'm here. I showed up.
I don't know what that means, but
He's got a special meaning for pineapple.
Hey, that's cool.
He told me that in the beginning. I never heard about pineapples before the whole story.
Sizzler.
Hey,
Right.
how you doing?
I'm saying
How
I
you
never heard
doing?
about the pineapple thing,
How you
right?
doing? How you doing?
They put it in their basket upside down and they just.
And other swingers.
So Junior and Gladys will be like, hey.
no, Gladys and Junior will not be doing that.
Oh, let me
Only
tell you.
Danny. This
Danny.
is he has like 8 of them upside down. Oh, that's the right girl.
What's up, my people?
Well, Julio in here.
Where's Julio?
Exploring around.
Oh, did he? You already walked around? What you doing there, son?
There's got a button here. I don't know what it does. I can't read it.
It says test normal silence. Oh, shit. You just start. Stop. I don't know what that is, but. Oh, I like the way that looks.
Thank you.
Oh, look how it bowls in. That's pretty nice.
Listen, when we put our time in it, thank you.
This is the first time I've seen one up front, up close, because look at that hole. That's pretty dope.
So I gotta say
doing?
I got like so many things to say to you, like happy birthday.
Happy anniversary. I mean,
Right? All of it.
he's already spent. It's been a year already, right?
I know it's been a year.
God damn. COVID. We are getting on.
Hey, you can cook some
That's like
steaks on
working out
that.
before you make that chicken. Come here, bro. Come here. Pick this up and tell me you don't need 2 hands to cook chicken. No, not you. Let June do it.
God dang. Oh my God.
Let me try.
Bro, that ain't a joke. That is not no joke.
What's going on?
What up?
Back out for another ride. We're gonna go back down to that spot again and turn around and come back.
Cool.
Need gas?
No, he didn't know he couldn't get through here.
Oh, gotcha.
Danny's giving away free gas tomorrow.
Giving away nothing.
Yeah, he is.
Giving away June's virginity.
He ain't a virgin anymore.
Yes, he is.
I was violated, guys.
Pasipo, 8.
And with that, goodbye.
No hables.
That is.
Alright, me and wifey are headed out for a sunset ride. We're having a blast. We're just all over the place. We're having a dope time. Just chilling. We're gonna go meet up with everybody else. Let's go.
See? They're planning right there. They're planning the 2025 tour.
Caught it.
Right there. Look at that. You got that? You're recording, right?
That look good on film.
You got it. So,
Big happy birthday to my dude.
thank you, brother.
Mr. AV Money here.
That's right. Every money coming to you live and direct from ELLIE Ray's.
ELLIE Ray's.
And you know what? Look out for the 2025 World Tour of FLSR.
That's right. It's going down.
We're going to start in Key West
2021.
all the way to Chile. Okay?
Wait, voting out.
Yeah.
Don't forget.
Yeah. Subscribe so you can get all the details.
Details.
You guys.
Come here, let me photograph. Let me photograph.
That was my honeybee who made this possible.
Hang on now.
Thank you, honeybee. Appreciate this. Thank you. Love you. Ilum. Look, that's good. Yeah. Oh, nice. She couldn't be here today, but she made that possible.
It's good.
Oh, I will.
Guayaba. I saw you.
It's good. Ooh, it's got guava in it.
Donna's gonna put 25 too. So you get $100 if you find the pink elephant.
Hold
The
up.
pink elephant. We're sending people to the
How many
pink elephant.
elephants we gonna find?
No.
How many?
Just one.
No, you gotta take a selfie with a pink elephant. You gotta find
That's
it.
for tomorrow. That's for
You
tomorrow.
gotta find it.
Yeah, that's for
That's what
tomorrow.
we tell everybody. You gotta find the
Yeah.
pink elephant, take a selfie.
Okay,
I'll give you
egg
Egg
$50.
hunt tomorrow.
Okay, all right.
Egg hunt tomorrow.
Done. Let me see that lighter. I'm gonna show you a trick.
Can you wait till the last minute and throw it high?
Yes.
What are we doing?
Yes.
But don't hurt your hand.
No.
How are you throwing it?
I'm gonna throw it probably that high.
Danny, don't hurt your hand. It's lit. It's lit. Oh my God. What? Wait.
Yo, what are you doing?
Throw it.
I've been shot. I've been shot.
Bro, that thing hit me in my back so hard. Dude, I'm not burning, am I?
Hey,
Oh, you are smoking
Oh, am I?
Run, jump in the water. See you on fire.
Right now, we're doing parrandas navideñas. All right? Juice World style. Follow us. Right now, we're gonna go very quietly. We're gonna sneak in to Randy's, who's already sleeping, because he's already 41.
Se va a poner bien cabrón ahora mismo.
Están durmiendo, la luz está
No, están durmiendo.
He knows what a parranda is?
Well, he's from Tampa. You should know. Nah, probably not. Probably
His last
not.
name is Cabrera. I thought it was Puerto Rican.
Diablo. It's good. It's about to go down. Whoa.
Let's go.
All right, guys. We're about to wake Randy up.
Everybody's gotta know we're trying to sing, right?
We're going to Randy's. We're going to Randy's. Aquí.
Quiet.
No, está parado ahí mismo.
Traigo la tuya para que te levantes. Traigo la tuya para que te levantes. La tuya está caliente, la tuya está grande. Traigo la tuya para que te levantes. Traigo la tuya para que te levantes. La tuya está caliente, la tuya está grande. We didn't wait nobody, right? Ellie Ray's Florida ski rider RiverFest, and that's how I get woken up.
Hey,
I love you guys.
we weren't too loud, were we?
No, how's my stomach? Dude, I love you.
Love you, baby. We next to the next house.
Next parranda.
All right, we're trying to sneak up on it. We're doing this is a shotgun parranda. Shotgun parranda. You ready?
We're just got this right by the
Yeah, let's go. Ready? Ready? Wait.
Traigo la tuya para que te levantes. Traigo la tuya para que te levantes. Esta tuya está caliente, esta tuya está quedante. Traigo la tuya para que te levantes. Traigo la tuya para que te levantes. Esta tuya está caliente, esta tuya está quedante.
Oh my God! I think we just scared the living out of you.
I thought I was dreaming there. I was like, holy
Yeah, we gotta change the sun. We gotta change the sun around.
Oh my God! Bro, estaba chocado.
Por la maceta, vamos a bailar, huepa, huepa, huepa. Vamos a bailar, huepa, huepa, huepa. Llevo el huepa, por la maceta, vamos a gozar, huepa, huepa, huepa.
Y'all want to see a trick? Y'all want to see a trick? Y'all want to see how money burns? Come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here.
Nah, he about to
Let
do
me show you something.
straight savage.
Money ain't nothing but a thing. Get out of here.